All right, so we're going to analyze the 1 versus 1 mass ratio collision of the marbles. So first, we're going to check the incoming velocity, so right before collision. So here's a collision. I'm going to take 5 frames before collision. This is the contact point, and I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a print screen. The usual process. Okay, and then again, 5 frames later, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right before collision. This is going to be the incoming velocity, the initial velocity. And now after collision, so let's take it from here, the starting point. After collision, okay, we place that over here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a print screen. Okay, place that over here. Then we're going to pick our ruler over here. Okay, and we're going to place it over here. So we're going to take the 0 line and we're going to align it with this line over here. Hold on. Let me place this one here. So this is going to be the reference line. This line here. And, you know, can you see that? Yeah. This is a reference line. So the same with this ruler. I'm going to place this ruler on every screenshot. Align the 0 mark with this one, and then with this one, and okay, and then with this one. Okay, so now let's draw some lines. So the edge of ball 1 over here, that seems to be 1.6 at 1.6. Then 5 frames later, it is rough. Let's see. Seems to be at 2.2, 2.25, between 2.2 and 2.3. So roughly, let's see, 1.6, and then 2.2, 2.3, which is 0.4, like 0.65 or something. Yeah, the distance is 0.65, roughly, between 0.6 and 0.7. It traveled around 0.65 centimeters in 5 frames. Now, then after collision, the other mass ball, the other 1 mass, starts at 2.35. And then 5 frames later, roughly at 3. So 2.35, that's, let's see, that's 5, 6, also 0.65, right? 0.65 difference. So for the 2 mass, okay, I mean the second model, so V2 equals, so the delta 2, the delta time for the marble that lifts off after collision, we have so 3 centimeters minus 2.35, right? That equals 0.65. And over here we have the same. So for the first marble, the incoming velocity, we have, so delta t equals, or delta distance, it's actually delta distance, of course. We have 2.25 minus 1.6. Yeah, so 1%, that's 4. That's also 0.65, right? Yeah, that's 0.65. So it's the same. The velocity before, so the velocity before collision is the same as the velocity after collision. And as we see, the first marble, hold on, where is it? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so the first marble comes to a full stop, and then the second marble continues with the same velocity, the same amount of momentum. And the first marble has 0 momentum. So conventional science as well as draft science agree that this is what happens theoretically, and this is what happens also in reality. This is the physical evidence right here. So for the one mass versus one mass, both parties agree that this is correct, and this is, yeah, what happens. So there's no problem, no discussion here. Okay.